How to delete booking.com account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your booking.com account, whether you are done using the platform or just want a fresh start. I'll show you how you can do it easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the booking.com app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your profile section. From here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as security settings. So just tap on it, and now here inside the security at the bottom, you can see the option labeled as delete account. So just tap on it, and here on the next page you need to give the reason for your deletion of your account. So here I'm going to simply tap on others, and here I'll simply give my reason, and after that I'm going to simply tap on delete account, and after that the confirmation link will be sent to your account. So here you just have to go to your email and tap on the confirmation link and follow the on-screen prompts to delete the account. And that's it. That's how you can delete your booking.com account. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.